My name is Eric Overby, and I'm the Director of IREA, ITility's Research and Engineering Division, and welcome to our renewable energy facility. ITility is a 350-employee government service company providing solutions to our customers both domestically and internationally. IREA was created by ITility's founder and president, Pete Slode, to provide our customers with solutions to their renewable energy and environmental challenges.
IREA's patent-pending manpower system is currently turning chicken manure into renewable energy on a chicken farm in Westover, Maryland. This system was designed and installed by IREA to remove potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen from chicken manure to reduce nutrient runoff and improve its conversion into biogas, a source of renewable energy. The anaerobic digestion tank of the Waste to Commodity Facility, WCF, utilizes bacteria to convert the carbon in the manure into methane-rich biogas. During operation, potassium within the manure is isolated as a potash fertilizer. Phosphorus and nitrogen are also sequestered from the manure as fertilizer due to their capacity to cause algae blooms in the Chesapeake Bay watershed. This nutrient removal maximizes biogas production as well. The biogas is cleaned, dried, and then stored on site before being burned in our combined heat and power CHP engine to generate electricity and heat for use on the farm. IREA is also invested in eliminating our carbon footprint, so the exhaust carbon dioxide from this system will be captured using an innovative algal biomass system.
My name is Ben Frank. I'm the senior scientist in charge of the research and development efforts for IREA, and I'm here at our laboratory in Manassas, Virginia. Here we measure the methane content of our biogas as well as the nutrient concentration within our digester during operation to ensure that we get the most effective degradation of waste. By ensuring that we have the highest concentration of methane possible in our biogas, we ensure the most effective transition from biogas to electricity by burning our biogas in a combined heat and power engine, also known as a CHP. The emissions from this burning process give off carbon dioxide, which we can capture and feed to algae. If the carbon dioxide is allowed to escape into the environment, it exists as a greenhouse gas. But by feeding it to algae, the algae are able to react carbon dioxide with sunlight to produce additional algal biomass. This algae can then be either spread on the field or fed to animals, as it's a very nutrient-dense feedstock.
We are proud of our decentralized solution that provides benefits to our customers and the environment. In short, we utilize the chicken litter waste stream and create methane-rich biogas that will lower customer energy costs while at the same time creating fertilizer that will not contribute to the nutrient pollution of the Chesapeake Bay. From all of us here at IREA, thank you for your time, and I look forward to you joining us in becoming part of the solution.